Hi, and welcome to IWS Motor Coach's presentation of this wonderful 2018 Renegade Valencia. Now this is the Bunk model. It's called the 38BB, and it's 38 foot long. This is a new introduction from Renegade in its product line, and it really hits home with a lot of folks who have families and have a need for plenty of sleeping berths. This is a beautifully designed coach, gorgeous from the outside, with a beautiful paint design, very modern look that'll make any RV owner proud to pull into the RV park with this unit. The Renegade Valencia is designed and mounted on Freightliner's unique S2 RV chassis. This looks extremely similar to the Freightliner M2, but it is a different chassis, specifically built by Freightliner Custom Chassis Division for Renegade. As we take a moment to focus in on a few of the special features of this coach exterior, we'll start with the storage compartments and outside entertainment center. First, as we explore the storage compartments, you'll see that they are large. These are steel compartments that are mounted to the subframe of the coach's floor assembly. It's extremely durable. You don't need to worry about these compartments ever having any structural integrity issues. They are carpeted to protect your belongings inside the compartments. All doors are side swing doors. They are double walled, extremely durable with heavy duty hinges and latch mechanisms. Here behind the rear axle of the coach, these compartments provide ample storage, and as you can see, there is a propane quick disconnect fitting that is provided with an access port in the bottom of the compartment to supply an external hose connection to operate your gas grill or what have you. As we move forward of the rear axle, these large and spacious compartments will provide ample storage for items such as chairs, maybe small tables, totes, things of that nature. Just below the outside entertainment center, this storage compartment is also equipped with a 110 outlet high on the back wall. There is also an access panel in the bottom of the compartment to run an extension cord up through if you need. The storage compartment here on the curbside closest to the entry door contains the inverter and auto generator start module. Here you can see it mounted on the ceiling. That is the inverter, and the auto generator start modules mounted there on the back wall. The Renegade Valencia employs a Magnum 2000 watt inverter that is quite sufficient to operate the components of the televisions and the residential refrigerator inside the coach when you need it. And the auto generator start module mounted here against the wall will give the owner tremendous peace of mind being able to program the generator to start, whether the house batteries are low on power or the air conditioners need to come on. You can program that to start based on thermostat setting a couple of degrees sooner. The Renegade Valencia is more of an introductory model into the Renegade product line, but that doesn't mean that it's cheap. It's extremely luxurious, as you can see by this outside entertainment center with a 32-inch LED HD television with a Bluetooth AM FM CD stereo. You can get your game on, or you can watch Sat TV, or you can watch the local channels. But everything in comfort right outside the entry door. So now that we've had a moment to look at the curb side of this coach, let's take a moment to focus on the driver's side. With Renegade, the driver's side of the coach is where all your utilities are kept. And we'll start with the forward compartment on this Renegade Valencia, and we'll focus on the battery compartment. Here's where the chassis batteries are going to be kept, along with the house battery. I say house battery because the Renegade Valencia didn't go cheap and go with the Group 27 batteries. Your Renegade Valencia comes standard with a large 8D deep cycle RV battery. All of the electrical work inside the compartment is done at a very high level, and all of the fittings and attachment points are sealed. Top quality hardware is used. Next is the propane compartment. As you can see, it is vented with an expanded metal bottom and a large 20-gallon propane tank with easy to access connections right here on the side. A manual visual gauge to read the quantity when you're on the outside. Really keeps things simple inside the LP compartment. The next two compartments house the 75-gallon gray tank and the 75-gallon black tank. Yes, large storage tanks, because this coach also has 150 gallons of fresh water. So you should have plenty of storage capacity with these gray tanks and black tanks. The tanks are blanketed. They have two heat strips per tank, so this is well protected system. Next, we move into the water management bay, where all controls are centrally located. As you can see, these have good, durable industrial fittings, so Renegade didn't go cheap in here. They're using quality components. Should last you a long time. Easy to access black and gray tank levers, a low point drain, a pressurized water spigot, a whole house filtration system, all contained inside one compartment. Next is the Cummins Onan 8 kW diesel generator. This generator is more than ample of supplying power to run your 2 air conditioners, your microwave, your televisions. It'll leave power to spare. You can control this generator right from this point centrally. You can start it, you can reset a circuit breaker, and easy to read hour meter. Next, we go to the shore cord power compartment, where you have a power cord reel for your shore power, easy to access control switch, and the automatic transfer switch is mounted against the rear wall inside this compartment. This transfer switch will easily hand off power between the generator and shore power and vice versa. Now that we've covered the lower compartment layout of the Renegade Valencia for both sides of the coach, I'd like to take a moment to point out the beautiful paint design that Renegade has on this Valencia. It's called titanium, it's modern, it's sleek, it's something that'll make any RV owner proud to pull in to a nice RV park. Don't need to hang your head low with this coach. The Renegade Valencia has 2 slide outs. These are both large slide outs on the 38BB bunkhouse model. It has a large carefree lateral arm awning, and the awning is equipped with LED lights, which you'll see here in just a little bit. The slide out on the curbside of the coach is for the bunk beds and the closet wardrobe. So you'll see it coming out when it's fully extended. None of it is under the awning, so it's not using up that valuable real estate. On the driver's side of the coach, the large slide out encompasses the sofa and the dinette. And here you can see the slide coming out, and it's worth mentioning that all slide outs on Renegades are equipped with awning topper awnings. So this will keep the leaves and debris from collecting on top of your slide out, keep it from getting pulled into your seals. Plenty of windows are equipped on this large slide out, so the ends of the slides both have windows, and then you have functioning windows over the sofa and the dinette. This wonderful design by Renegade really does give the space that you need for the amount of people that can actually use this unit. The Renegade Valencia has a wonderfully designed rear cap assembly. It's very modern, and the paintwork carries on to the back. It just makes it look awesome from any angle. The backup camera is mounted high in a Frenched-in pocket. The Renegade Valencia has a 7-pin connector, and it has a 12,000-pound hitch. We're always proud to get a nice video shot of the roof of any Renegade because it's just a durable product, and they've done such a nice job of finishing this. All the seams are sealed with a durable compound that's going to last for years. Everything is mounted very clean, and it is a walk-on roof, so if you have to service something, no problem. The S2 RV chassis by Freightliner Custom Chassis Division is a perfect match for this coach. One of the true benefits of this chassis is a single fill 100-gallon fuel tank that's mounted between the frame rails at the rear of the coach. So the diesel exhaust fluid point is located here by the cab, but the fuel service point is on the same side of the coach, a little bit further back, but it's single fill. That's an advantage the S2 RV chassis has over the M2 106, which is used in Renegade's product lines above. This coach is equipped with high-quality, polished aluminum wheels, a unique aero cap that encompasses the overcab bunk assembly, just a brilliant design by Renegade. Now this custom chassis by Freightliner has a 31,000 gross vehicle weight rating. It is powered by the Cummins B 6.7 diesel engine. This engine is at its absolute highest horsepower offering from Cummins at 360 horsepower with 800 foot-pounds of torque. The 6.7 liter engine is a widely used engine that's very reliable, and it's ample power for this coach. It's backed by the Allison 3000 World Automatic Transmission. It's a 6-speed transmission, super simple to operate, and the coach has wonderful power, wonderful ride. You won't be disappointed.